Let's see. What if it's a spear? Just gonna have him another equipment saying spear, and then length is actually 2 meters. What happens is, so instead of having sword, he would have attack, spear, dadam. So spear would have 2 meters of the range. So that will include the tile that's in diagonal position. Let me think. Yeah, you should be able to. I mean, that's not really the way it handles in Tactics Ogre. You can't really attack diagonally, so in an angle that's not direct, or you can't attack to indirect angle. The other question is, can you attack the enemy behind you? But if you're really good at it, you can still hit the enemy behind you. But so I mean, if you're really good at, you know, or if you're a Jedi, you're supposed to be able to hit anyone behind you without looking at him. So that's cool. That's possible. Diagonal hit. Let's assume it's okay. And then the height difference, I will just deal with it later. Yeah. So this is actually what it is. So sword. Okay, so clicking a different weapon should reset it. I'll just deal with the reset button later. Anyway, so it's clickable, and turn to him and attack with sword. Done. So this red tile currently is clickable. Red tile is also tile. It's a tile component. So that's a frame. Where's it? A frame component. Atom molecule. Yep. So stage tile component. Okay, so let's go to the definition. A-frame component library. Yep. Stage tile component. Okay, so initial. Okay, so this L query selector all attack. What is attack target? For each L add event listener click something. So add event listener click attack unit. This LID. So attack unit. Okay, so stage find unit on tile, and the tile is this LID, right? Find unit on tile and attack, or I would just say attack unit on tile. Unit on tile. Let's do that. Okay, so stage attack unit, on tile. Tile ID, that's a number, void. Okay, so this, what is it? Units in stage or something? Well, it's alright. Units get all. Should I just do that? Find unit content unit position equal tiles, find tiles tile ID and position. Return let target unit console.log target unit. Can I do that? Let next tile is initial type. Okay, stage find tiles. So find tiles is what? Find tiles X and Z. So it takes X and Z. That's cool. Find tiles. Does it take object or no? Does it take find tiles X and Z? So first and second. Okay, find tiles initial tile position X and initial tile position Z. Does it? Okay, so it will return array. So next tile. So I will just say next tile position. So you will always be right next to the first unit. Why not? It's not really doing anything, huh? Okay, so this sorry, this tiles filter tile tile position equals to efficient X equal to X, D equals to D, and just do that. No, do that and return. Tile efficient X plus 1. Okay, so this guy can attack with sword this tile. This tile. So the tile is like it's a step. It's buried underneath the ground. I don't like it. Maybe he doesn't like it. So clicking him doesn't really do anything. Why is that? Oh, okay. So it's sitting on the same spot as the highlight, and highlight is, I think, being clicked for us before. This target is clicked. Is that what's happening? Let's okay, so let's go back. Not sure. So attack, sword, this guy, highlight tile clicked, right? So the highlight tile is clicked before the attack tile. So in order to not do that, instead of making the tile highlighted, well, we can make this tile highlighted, and but also we want to make the unit clickable. So let's go to the stage, and what is it? Find attack target tiles. Yes. and highlight attack target tiles. Yes, it's highlighted, and at the same time, query selector or highlight target for each visible. Yeah, sure. So, but we know the tile, right? So find unit on tile and then tile position. Let unit target is this find unit on tile. Let's just make find unit on tile function first and return target unit. Oh, sorry. Okay, let unit L is document element by unit ID, and unit L set attribute color red. Can I change the color? Target unit L query selector a box set attribute color red. How's that? Unit on tile is tile ID. Tile.id sword attack with the sword. Yes, red. Okay, now he's clickable. He became red. Yes, red.